Unang yalam ke Meghalaya Bharatiya Janata Party bat Menteri Sarkar ba Hek hakas ngi palai ula Kubur ba kajing pen Slem ban Pynbna ki Kyrtong kelak ban Ktah bha ya ke parti haka election Lok Sabha ajar posau hajilla kat ba kajing pen kre ya ke election kelaya ya hapo kejela bat ki wei ki parti kelak Pynbna ya ki Kyrtong hinrei nadu benta ki BJP kampat la ban Pynbna ya ki Kyrteng jong ki Kyrtong ki banyak kun na Shillong bat tura parliamentary seat haba kentait ban kren uba hek ulaong ba hadu menta kam padon kejing yelang bat kinong yelam ba klidu ke BJP nama kane umla ban ajing tip habaya day bat ki Kyrtong nak benta ki arteli ki seat na po Meghalaya Henry lapa wa presiden berim ke Meghalaya BJP uba Ernest Mauri ka advocate ke Supreme Court ke Kong Fe Nila El Nong Light bat menteri sarkar uba El Hek kilapan tiket nasional Kadbau MDC Katura bat State Vice President ke BJP Bernard Marak Kyrtong Nasong Sak Thomas Marak bat CEM berim ke GHADC bat Boston Marak kilapau kum ki Kyrtong Natura.
Meeting to how we'll know about who will be the BJP candidate here.
But don't you think the delay is gonna cost you all a lot because preparation is needed for such a
I agree with you. The delay will have a negative impact on the party. But what can we do? We cannot help anything unless the decision is taken by the central government, central leaders.
So, any indication, any communication? No?
See, this will be able, the state president will be able to give you the detail in this related to this particular subject you have asked me.